Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
The more you know. Guys, it's literally been 4 hours. You guys don't see any of this behind the scenes stuff, but look. Only 96% was uploaded. And I have good content for you guys. Can't wait. I need to get Wi-Fi. Do you guys know how I can get Wi-Fi in the truck? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Barack, and we're back at it again. I figured out the internet thing. I have Verizon, so I got a hotspot, and we're hitting a good 23 megabytes per second, and that's pretty good. You want around like 20 for YouTube uploads, but we're good. I did 3 videos for you guys so far, so we don't have to go to McDonald's anymore, hopefully. But yeah, welcome to my truck tour. All right, where could we start from? Where should we start from? I think we're just gonna play it as it goes. Let's start with this. So this is the money maker right here. This is the steering wheel. This is the horn. This is the buttons and buttons, right? So we got here that controls the lights. You got the dimmer. You got the hazards. Let's talk about this, all right? So this makes so much noise, and I really hate things that rattle. It drives me insane. So I've been sticking weird stuff in here, and this is like the best that I've came up with. It's like a little napkin and like some tape to hold it back, some back pressure, and it's been working well. This is my jellyfish launcher. Those are the running lights. You guys know what's up with that. You guys know what's up with these as well. Air brakes, tractor, trailer. We got the sleeper fan. We got the lights for up here. We got the aux 1 and 2 that I do not use. This is the defroster for the windshield. This is your trailer brake. You use that if you want to. I mean, I just do it for my tug test. I'm sure you can use it for a lot of things. These are your climate controls, your radio. This is my 12-speed transmission right here. All right, so you got the diff lock here, traction control. You got the 5th wheel to slide it back and forth. You got hill start. I hate hill start. This is to dump the suspension in the bags in the back on the drives. This is eco roll. This is it's basically a Volvo thing. So when you're driving and your foot's off the grass, that would automatically put it like no more fuel into the engine. So it's like economically fuel saving, but I'm not messing with things I don't understand. This is our PTO. We have to turn this on every time we get that trailer, the ramp coming down. And that's pretty much it. Nothing on this side. All right, let's start from the top. So I got my hats here. You know, I'm from the East Coast, so it gets pretty cold there. And my ears get cold. So this is my NOCO. You need this for the cars. It's going 4 or 5 days with no battery, especially if the old cars, if their juice dies or something happens, you have a battery to start it up, or you're gonna have to drag that car out, and the customer's gonna be like, what the heck, you're a car carrier, you don't have a battery, blah 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 blah, and all that. Yeah, so this is like the chargers for it, like the charging case, whatever you want to charge it with. Over here is we got some spray so we don't smell like poo-poo. We got Windex, that's definitely gonna need that. We got some Febrezes and some chemical cleaners, whatever you want to call that. All right, so let's talk about priority while you're driving. You want everything in a close distance where you can reach, right? So this, I have my napkins in here. This is for receipts, blah blah blah. This is your toothpicks. You're gonna love this, man. These definitely, everybody should have some in there. And this is important as well. This is for the summertime. This is what these basketball players put on their whole arm, but I like to put it on mine because when the sun hits right here and your hands are like this, it's gonna have a farmer's tan. You're not gonna realize it, but your friends sure will. And in here is, we got the CB radio, Niner. This is rubber duck. We also have zip ties. We have glad hand seals. We got fuses. I got this little lighter thing because last time I was stuck and I torched the bottom of where the airlines for the trailer, and it just opened up. It's like an ice winter type situation. I haven't used it ever since then. We got microfiber. We got more toothpicks. Can never have enough of those. This is for the trailer. It's just a spare. Alrighty, let's go here. I have nothing in here. I don't have anything in here as well, but I have 2 cleaning things. Big Costco guy, baby wipes. This is like a little book with all our registration, all that information in there for our happy DOT officers that we love so much. If you're watching this, I appreciate you. And we got a high-vis vest that we never use. It's good to go. All right, that's good, that's good. All right, let's talk about what we got in here. So this, because I have anger issues supposedly, I like to put this on 1,000 pounds and then just curse at people and just go to work, you know the vibes. All right, in here we have the flashlight. This is its case. I should be putting that back. This flashlight is great, man. It's called a Phoenix TK16. It's very, very bright. You probably don't see it, but it's very bright. It has different modes. It even has one of these. And the beauty of this is if you unscrew this, it has a USB-C, so you could charge that battery. Where's my USB-C? You could charge that battery with the USB-C connector, and it's beautiful. This is also a priority. This is called the back scratcher, and it extends. Hold on. See what I mean? You could really hit it from the back with this. Hey, yo. I got a pen in there, and this is how I can prove to you guys I'm really from the East Coast. Check this out. This is our Poland Spring. Nothing tastes like Poland Spring. That's probably the best water I've ever tasted. So we got this. This is my little raincoat for days like this. Let's start with this top cub. Over here, I have my towels. Some of you might think these are the towels because it's gray from the pilot. No, I did not steal it. This is my own. I have receipts to prove it. But I do not use the pilot because people use that literally to wipe their and they clean the floors with them, man. I know they wash them, but still, I ain't taking that risk. I have my bed covers, everything like that. Back here, I have sweatpants extra just in case. This is our TV. You pull this, and then you pull it out. Ugh. Easier with two hands. So I have an air fryer here that I've never used. Hopefully, I'm gonna start cooking on the road. I got more microfiber towels back here. These are my shirts. And let's go in here. This is my little hamper. Got a little hamper in there. I got extra shorts in here, if I need them. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go on the other side over here. In the blue one, I got all my boxers. And this black one, I have all my socks. Got my protein powder back there. Oh man, look at me. I'm already making a mess, dude. All right, we'll take care of that later. So I got my microwave in here. And with the microwave, I put a microfiber towel in here on this glass because this thing rattles, and I hate things that rattle, man. All right, we have our, what is this thing called, man? Well, I got a brain fart. What was it called? Sweaters. I got our sweaters here. Also, I'm a freak for some sriracha. Got some Tabasco, Put some flavor in there. I know I'm white, but we need some flavor. And this is our top bunk. You are probably asking, did I fold that just for the video? And yes, I did. I definitely folded it just for the video. And in here, we got gloves, protein shake, gloves, protein shake, more gloves, more gloves. And this is like a spill kit type of thing. Because if we have like old exotic, not old exotic, but like old classic cars, and then you try to turn it over and then something happens and you got to spill, these will absorb a lot really quick. Extra toothbrushes. We got all this. So the reason I have foil is here is because in the front of this truck it has a sensor and it's automatically brakes for you, and it's annoying. But if you wrap it in tin foil, it just cancels it. It just gives you a code, as you see on my dash. And in here, the sandwich bags, not because I make food, is because some customers are not home, so I put their keys in the sandwich bag and I hide the keys for them. What else do we have in here? If you guys watched the other video, we have the stickers, the free stickers I stole from the weight station from Virginia. And that pretty much wraps that up. Let's go in here. This is all my camera equipment. I definitely made this look nice for you guys, but I guess once the truck starts moving, it's gonna be all over the place. So this is my tripod. This came with the camera. It's my little selfie sticks. I have a DJI Action 5, by the way, if you guys were wondering. Definitely recommend it. These are my filters, my ND filters, if it's too sunny out. This was for a screen protector for the thing. These are my SD cards, micro. I finally got 3 now, so we're good. batteries for the camera. It's the camera case that came with it. I got microphones in here in case I need that. I'm planning on doing interviews with people on the fuel island. I think it's gonna be hilarious, but hopefully we'll see. Got more stuff in here. All right, now let's talk about this. I made this into a sitting area because now that I'm editing, I became a YouTuber, it just makes sense for me. Definitely does. I have shit. What's wrong with me, man? I got a sweater in here and some sweats, you know, if I ever need it. I almost forgot to show you guys what was in the bottom right here. So every truck driver should have some good old boots. Some Red Wings preferably, because America. This is good for the snow and rain, fuel island, because fuel islands get get slippery. And over here is, if you watch the other 34 videos, I got my hats, because I love my hats. This is my shower bag. That's ready to go. I'm going to be taking a shower today, and I want to show you guys how the showers are. I'm going to try to see if I can get into the other ones, obviously with nobody in there. And hopefully we get a crippled one. I know it's messed up to say, but they usually have two spouts, one here, and it just water's draining on you. You just feel beautiful. It's like rich man. I don't know. It's a vibe, definitely a vibe. And we got it. 41, 94, 3. 41, 94, 3. Oh yeah, that's what I was talking about. Got one here and one here. This would be great. On the table here, we have a little charger that goes in here. Oh my God, I cannot tell you. If your inverter does not work, go get it fixed. It's a lifesaver and I love it. It's my power bank. We got more wipes to clean the table down and all that. Editing videos for you guys. I got this little thing that doesn't stick into anywhere, but I don't know. I bought so much weird things for different angles, but I'm slowly figuring it out as we go. But I definitely want to see your truck tour. I want to see your tips and tricks. I want to see all of that. But for now, let's go into the side cubbies. See what we got in there. So on the driver's side, I have a lot of stuff. Let's talk about it. Duct tape. I got my little toolkit. I got a knife, screwdriver. I got a Mickey Mouse tape measure. I got an open-ended wrench, wire cutters, and a, what is this? This saved our butt last time. A 9/16 for the batteries to tighten up the nuts. You got cables, definitely have this in your truck. We got white lithium grease. This is for those two tubes that come out for the trailer. You always want to keep them greased. You're always gonna need your coolant, extra oil, and original blue. I actually need more coolant. You should have at least 3 to 4 of these in your truck at all times. And one of these you should be fine. And this, you already know what's up with that. So yeah, let's go on the other side. Alright guys, now for the passenger side cubby, let's check it out. My other videos, I used these for the motorcycle straps last time, they worked well. So yeah, I got them taped with 2-inch tape. So all my boys that are watching this now, when we used to do telecom, that's how we used to do our straps. So yeah, anyways. These are big car covers in case the car got detailed or something happened. We put that on so there's no dust, there's no complaints. And putting that back is a pain in the ass. Alright. And we got like a toolkit that has everything you need. This will get you out of a jam, man. Don't be that guy that calls the road service for everything, man. Be better. Alright guys, that's the... Something's rattling, let's figure it out. Hold on. Yeah, you're gonna tell me that's not gonna, it's not gonna drive you insane driving down the road? Woo! All right. Okay, so where were we? Let me put you guys in here. Oh yeah. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked the truck tour. It was nothing special, but it's accommodated for what I need it to do, and that's how yours should be as well. You know, like, comment, subscribe. Definitely share the video, and I'm looking forward to seeing your own video. I want to see how you guys do it. Let me see your tips and tricks of what you guys like to do. And especially if you got like a PS5 in here, let me know how that works, because I'm trying to figure that out as well. Still waiting for that GTA 6 drop, so See you guys in the next one.